Hello my dear students, my name is Sajid Hussain. I teach in Tezpur Sharili Girls High School. I was up to part 7. I have uploaded my videos. Hopefully you have watched all my videos. If yet not you have seen my videos, you simply go through the videos and watch the complete video. Then only you will understand trigonometry. Today in 8.4 part 5 I am going to solve. Yesterday I solved this sum, which is very important It comes from 8.4. One of the sums from this is there in the question paper. So now I am going to show you interesting sum. This sum, see, this sum and this sum, there is a relationship between these two sums. Therefore I am going to solve this sum. Here the sum is given like this: 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equals to sec A plus 10A. Yesterday I told you which part you are going to take, either left hand side or right hand side. How to determine? Yesterday I taught you that you should take which is in the form of what? P by Q, or numerator by denominator. Here the left part is in the form of P by Q or numerator denominator. So between these two sides, I prefer to choose this side because it is in the form of P by Q. So while solving the sum, you take this part as left hand side. Very easy, don't fear if the root is given. Ultimately it will help you. See, here 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is given. As I taught you yesterday, if it is minus, we have to multiply it by plus. Again, this should be same, 1 plus sin A. If it is plus, it is also plus. Same, it should be same. Then it will be equal. See, now here in the numerator 1 plus sin A, therefore it will be what? 1 plus sin A whole square. Here 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A, it is like A minus B into A plus B. It is equal to what? A square minus B square, like earlier class in part 7 you have seen this sum. Here we have 1 square minus A minus B into A plus B. A means what? 1, B means what? Sin A. A square minus B square. So 1 plus sin A whole square. 1 minus sin square is what? Cos square theta. Here it will theta is 8. See, put the root like this. Now you write below. After this you have to write what you have to write. See, here there is a square and here is also a square, and this is the square root. So you can write 1 plus sin A by cos A. Then the square root, then the square will be cancelled. So simply split it, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos means sec A, sin by cos means tan A. This is in the right hand side. See, this is sec A plus tan A is in right hand side. It's very important for SLC exam. Very important for SLC exam. Yesterday's sum and this sum are very important. Now you see, this is very important. 1 plus sec A by sec A equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. Here in the book it is given, the hint is given like this: solve left hand side and right hand side. but I am going to solve it in a more easy way. Which part you have to take? Here both are in the same sort, p by q, p by q. So which side you are going to take? See. Here this is also in the form of p by q, this is also in the form of p by q. Which part you are going to take? I suggest you to take this part in the form of this part, because here 1 minus cos A is here. You can multiply it by 1 plus cos A. That's the reason I am going to take this part. Here both part is in the form of p by q. See, this right hand side, first you have to take which part? P by q part, as I suggested. But since both are in the form of p by q part, I prefer to take this part, because sin 1 minus cos A is here. So you can multiply it by 1 plus cos A. That's an interesting thing to learn. See, sin square A by 1 minus cos A is here. You multiply by 1 plus cos A. Here also you multiply 1 plus cos A. See, sin square A 1 plus cos A. Here you see 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A equal to what? 1 minus, means 1 square minus cos square A. A minus B into A plus B, A square into B square, we have already learned. It will be what? Sin square A 1 plus cos A. 1 minus cos square means what? Sin square A. So this will cancel. Only you write downward. I am going to write here 1 plus cos A, you get. Now what is we have to show? We have to show this part. Here sec is here, but here cos is here. So simple. Convert sec into cos. Cos into sec. Cos theta means 1 by sec A. Cos means on sec. Take LCM. Sec A plus 1. So arrange it as in the question. 1 plus sec A by sec A. Very easy. Equal to what? Left hand side. See what I have done. Don't be nervous. Simply see simply see the sum and take the p by q part. But here both are in the form of p by q. Now what part you have to choose? This part, because it is in the form. In the denominator is 1 minus cos. So we can multiply it by 1 plus cos. So 1 minus cos is 1 plus multiplied by 1 plus cos. Both sides. Then this part you write. This you write. A minus b into a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So 1 minus cos square equal to sin square theta. Here theta is a. So this will cancel. You get 1 plus cos a. Since it is sec is here, so cos a means what? 1 by sec a. 1 by sec a. So take LCM sec a. Sec a plus 1, arrange it in the as it in the sum. So you get the answer. So don't forget to subscribe, share and press the bell icon and click the and watch the video completely. You will get certain icons there. You can see all my videos there. Please go and watch the complete video. At the end you will get the links of various videos. All my videos actually. Just go and click the link. You can watch all the links and all the channels uploaded by me. So please subscribe and share my videos. See, look at this sum. Cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A equals to cosec A minus 1 cosec A plus 1. This sum is from SLC final exam. Is very important for 2021. Therefore, I am going to solve you. Very easy sum. Here, cot is given now. We know cot is what side. Take left hand side. It will be easier for you to do. Cot A minus cos A divided by. See, cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A. From this we have to find this. See, here is cos. In cot there is cos, you know. Cos by sin is cot. here is cos, so don't change it. We take this, we will take it as common later on. So it is cot is here, here is cos, so we break it to cos by sine minus is plus cos A. If you have not yet watched my video, go through all my videos, then you will understand what I am doing now. See, cos A and cos A are here, so take cos A as common, then it will become 1. Cos will come here, so it will be what? 1 by sin A minus cos A, if it comes here, it will be 1, because this into this equal to this, cos A into 1 equal to cos A. Again, cos and cos is here, so cos A, if it take common, 1 by sin A plus, if cos A comes into 1, this into this equal to this, cos A into 1 equal to cos A. If the whole comes, it will be 1. These two will cancel. See, 1 by sin means what? Cos A k minus 1. 1 by sin means what? Cos A k plus 1. You got this. It is equal to what? Right hand side. See, you must watch my previous videos, otherwise you will not understand this. So please go through the whole video and click the links given there, so that you get all my videos. You can watch all my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like and press the bell icon. Tomorrow I am going to start new chapter, that's called AP, arithmetic progression. Very interesting. And in maths, AP, most of the AP sums are there. See, question number 4, there is AP sum is here. In question number 4, AP sum is, there is one sum from AP. In question number, I'm going to show you. In question number, wait a minute. In question number 28, there is AP. This question, this is 3 marks. In question number 28, you will get sum from AP. So you must know AP, and it's a very easy part to do. Very easy sums. I am going to teach you in details. So from tomorrow, I am going to start arithmetic progression. One question is for 1 mark, one question is for 2 marks, and one question is given for 3 marks. So, and AP has 2 parts actually. One is general AP, and the chapter next is your sum of AP series. So both are important for learning in details. And for learning in details, you must have to follow my classes, then you will learn. So don't miss my classes. From tomorrow I am going to upload videos on AP. Please subscribe and share.